Arena Force Waterproofing Factory Arena. For more than 15 years, our company has been developing materials for protection of concrete. The work was carried out as classified on the orders of the military-industrial complex. Since 2017, after this, it was decided to bring our products into civil engineering. We decided to create our own production, build a factory and register the Arena Force trademark. We produce innovative waterproofing materials based on cement and mineral ionic additives, smart additives for concrete and related waterproofing materials, ultra-strong repair compounds for concrete. Our research center is constantly developing new, innovative and cost-effective materials for protection and repair of concrete, including new materials designed according to customer specifications. Arena Force materials are widely used in the construction of civil and industrial facilities. Our company has achieved the confidence of large global companies. We offer our partners the presence of a factory technical expert during the application of Arena Force materials, which provides for additional Arena Factory guarantee for the work performed. The help of the experts of the Waterproofing Factory Arena at the design stage, ready-made technical units, solutions of non-trivial tasks. Training of technical specialists of our partners in the application and implementation of Arena Force materials. We provide logistics support for each partner. The network of representative offices allows us to introduce Arena Force materials worldwide. We're always open for dialogue. Become a partner of the Waterproofing Factory Arena now. It is profitable. Arena Force is confidence in support.